How to open or create Exodus Wallet account. Welcome to the channel and let's start with the video. For this, make sure that you have installed your Exodus application on your mobile device. Tap open your application and wait for it to load. Select the option of Create Wallet. And with a simple click, you will have yourself a brand new Exodus wallet. And yes, with a simple click. In here, you will be able to do a lot of settings option and select your own network as well. In this page, if you want to buy any of the Bitcoins or your cryptocurrency, you can just go ahead and tap on the buy option. You can select the currency that you want from all of this list of currencies. Select the amount. Tap on continue if you want to buy any of the cryptocurrency. To customize a dashboard, scroll down, select customize dashboard. Arrange the sequence of the widgets and it will be according to the sequence that you arranged it right here. Once you are done, you can head back from here as well. To head to your settings option, you can tap on this icon of boxes. Tap on the pencil icon to edit your username. You can type in anything that you want to, and also you can select your profile picture. Tap on the security to add your backups. You can also secure it by password, or you will even get your own secret phrase which can help you to retrieve your password if you forgot it. Tap on settings. From here, you can select according to your preference and manage your wallet according to your convenience of your own. And that is how you can create your own Exodus wallet account, and that is how you can quickly use it as well. That's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.